Hello, let me tell you about my favorite mathematical function, x to the x. In this case, we're going to compute x to the x equals 3 over 4. Now it's hard to solve, but we can solve it through a mathematical function called the Lambert W function. We start by taking the logarithm of both sides. A nice property of logarithms is that the powers can be brought outside of the logarithm. And once we do that, we can use another property of all numbers can be expressed as e to the power of the log of that number. In this case, e to the power of log x. And once we have it in that form, log x times e to the power of log x, we have it in the perfect form for the Lambert W function. Here I've applied the Lambert W function to the left-hand side of the equation already, because as we know, x e to the x in the Lambert W function always results in just x. Now, let's talk about the principal root of the Lambert W function. The principal root is given by w0. But if the input to the Lambert W function is between 0 and 1 over negative e, then there's actually two potential real roots. And in this case, log of 3/4 is within that range. Therefore, we have a second real root, and it is given by w sub minus 1. There are no other real roots, however, but there are infinitely many complex roots. And using Wolfram alpha, we can see that those two roots are given by these values. Thank you, and I hope you've learned something.